Hello everyone. As you all know, choosing the right broker is the most important step in your trading journey. Today, we are comparing two of the biggest names in the industry, Eightcap and Xm. Both are famous, but they serve very different types of traders. By the end of the video, you will know exactly which one fits your style. Let's start with Eightcap. This broker is a favorite for people who love crypto and advanced tools. While Xm has many assets, Eightcap offers over 100 different cryptocurrencies. Eightcap is also the top choice if you use TradingView. They have a deep integration that lets you trade directly from your charts. If you use automated bots or expert advisors, Eightcap's fast execution and raw accounts offers some of the lowest costs for high volume traders. It's built for the person who already knows their way around a chart. When it comes to cost, both are competitive. Xm is great for commission-free trading. Eightcap shines with its raw account, where you pay a small fee to get the tightest spreads possible. Regarding safety, both are heavily regulated. They hold licenses from top-tier authorities like ASIC and the FCA. This means your money is kept in separate accounts, and you have negative balance protection. You can trust both, but Xm generally has a longer global track record. Now, let's look at Xm. If you are a beginner, Xm is likely your best bet. Why? Because they make it incredibly easy to start. You can open an account with as little as $5. They are also experts at teaching. Xm offers free daily webinars and a huge video library to help you learn the basics. Their micro account is a standout feature, allowing you to trade with very small amounts of money while you practice. Plus, they offer great bonuses to give your account a little extra boost. So, which one you should pick? Choose Xm if you're just starting out, have a small budget, or want the best educational tools. Choose Eightcap if you want to trade a lot of crypto, use TradingView, or need a professional setup for fast day trading. Both brokers offer free demo accounts, so there's no risk in trying them both. If you found the video helpful, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Happy trading!